Hey everyone, Dave Oliveira here with Ray Networks. Today we're looking at Heimdal Security and their endpoint products and their different modules and all of the things that come with that. What we're going to focus this video on is just getting the agent installed at first. The URL is dashboard.heimdalsecurity.com, as you can see above. And where we're going to always start out first is in this guide section right here. The download and installs, what's going to contain our installers. There's Windows, there's for Mac, and then there's for Ubuntu. So choose your flavor of your operating system that you have. And you're also going to want to grab the key right here, right? So good deal. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the Windows version. We'll scroll on down here. Let that download. I'll go grab my key too. So cool. The agent, we're just going to go ahead and run this guy. And then we'll key in our key here in just a second. Yes to the prompts. And it's a very, very simple agent install. It's going to want the key here in just a moment. English, of course, wants us to scroll down. I do want a shortcut. We'll click next, put the key in here, and we'll activate. And it'll go ahead and install. And where it's going to end up here in just a moment is the product section here. Actually, excuse me, the unified endpoint device info. It'll show up here in just a moment. And we'll do another video for that. But oh, it looks like it's just getting there right now. So right in front of our eyes. Good stuff. On the next video, we'll go over policy management, getting the computers a policy, enabling modules, and other good stuff in here too that they have to offer. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon.